iOS 18 is here, and it's packed with new features that can seriously up your cybersecurity and privacy game. If you're not already aware of these updates, you're missing out on ways to protect your personal data like never before. First up, private cloud compute. This feature allows Apple's AI to process complex tasks in the cloud without storing any of your data. Your private information is never seen or saved by Apple, giving you peace of mind while using AI services. Next, there's the new Passwords app. It takes Apple's old Keychain and makes it easier to manage your passwords, Passkeys, and two-factor authentication codes. Plus, it will alert you if any of your credentials are compromised in a data breach. One of the coolest additions is the ability to lock and hide apps. You can now use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to keep sensitive apps secure. Hidden apps won't show up on your home screen or in search results, adding an extra layer of privacy. Apple has also improved contacts permissions. You can now decide exactly which contacts to share with apps, instead of giving full access to your entire contact list. Another major improvement is Passkeys, which replace traditional passwords. These are more secure and easier to use, requiring only a single tap to log in. Apple's focus on privacy doesn't stop there. With Accessory Setup Kit, you can pair devices without exposing other devices on your network. This keeps your smart home accessories private and secure. The bottom line? Apple is doubling down on privacy and security with iOS 18. If you care about keeping your data safe, these features are game changers. If you're ready to take control of your privacy and security, start using these iOS 18 features today.